Anomalous behavior of oxygen. We know that oxygen is the first member of 16th group. Like all other elements which are coming as a first member in respective groups of P block, oxygen is also exhibiting some anomalous behavior. That means some properties of oxygen are different from the properties of other members in the group. This is due to its smaller size, high electronegativity and absence of d orbitals in it. For example, as an example for anomalous behavior, let us take the case of hydrogen bonding. In water, there is strong interaction between molecules due to hydrogen bonding. And such a bonding is not present in hydrogen sulfide. We know that sulfur is coming next to oxygen, but there is no hydrogen bonding in H2S, but it is there in H2O. And this is due to the smaller size of oxygen and its high electronegativity. Then if we say another anomalous behavior, oxygen cannot have a valency greater than 4. Because oxygen is not having d orbital, but other members in its family are having d orbitals, so they can expand their valency. They can exceed their valency up to 6. And this is not possible in oxygen since it is not having d orbital.
Sample questions. Question number 1. List the important sources of sulfur. Answer. Sulfur occurs in free as well as in combined state in Earth's crust. Combined sulfur exists primarily as sulfates such as gypsum, Epsom salt and barite, and as sulfides such as galena, zinc blende and copper pyrites. Question number 2. The electron gain enthalpy value for sulfur is highly negative compared to that of oxygen. Give reason. Answer. This is due to the compact nature of oxygen. Due to small size of oxygen atom, its electron cloud is distributed over a small region of space and therefore it repels the incoming electrons. Thus, electron gain enthalpy of oxygen is less negative than sulfur. Question number 3. There is a large difference between the melting and boiling points of oxygen and sulfur. Why? Answer. The atomic size of oxygen is less than that of sulfur. With the increase in atomic size, the van der Waals forces of attraction among their atoms increase, so that melting and boiling points of sulfur is more than that of oxygen. And above all, atomicity of oxygen is 2, or it is remaining as diatomic molecule, whereas atomicity of sulfur is 8, or it is existing as a polyatomic molecule. Question number 4. Elements of group 16 generally show lower value of first ionization enthalpy compared to the corresponding periods of group 15. Why? Answer. Due to extra stable half-filled p orbitals electronic configurations of group 15 elements, larger amount of energy is required to remove electrons compared to group 16 elements.